Hi, this is Karan Sheth here from Speak to IoT, and the idea behind our startup is quite simple. Is essentially making any of your IoT products or your backend services voice activated, so the end consumer can simply speak in their natural language and get things done. And that's in a nutshell. Speak to IoT. Just speak and get things done. While we were working as part of Cisco, and I met my co-founder then, who was flying drones, and I told him, "Hey, you're flying drones, but your hands and eyes are constantly stuck on a mobile screen. So how can we just free up these two senses?" And then voice actually came out as that third sense, which we can easily use, and we are naturally adapted to. That's when we realize, the scope of voice is not only limited to drones, but it can be applied across many verticals. Given this opportunity to create new bridges, and I think that's the best part of the overall journey, because that's where there's this tremendous joy when you realize that you can actually do this and build new bridges for others, and including yourself. And I think that's a reward in itself, right? I don't have to wait for something to happen. It's a daily reward, and that's what keeps us going. And I think that's the best part of being an entrepreneur. To cook fulka rotis, you have to cook it at a very low flame, right? So sometimes it will work out perfectly fine, sometimes it'll get burned out. But if you start seeing both success and failures as exactly identical, then I think your path is very clear. You have a clarity and you're not stuck at one point, and you keep marching and you keep progressing. And I think that's what I enjoy, being in a startup where you're constantly learning, relearning, and that's a part of it. And that's how you keep on progressing.